Hi, I am Madhav Singh, studying in Nirja Modi School, born and raised in the vibrant land of Rajasthan, India. Today, I am going to take you on an adventure as I uncover the enchanting secrets of wetlands and delve into a journey of discovery, all centered around the mesmerizing beauty of Sambar Salt Lake. Imagine stepping into a world where nature's wonder intertwines seamlessly with our human needs, overlooking the stunning Sambar Salt Lake, a place that holds both ecological marvels and a deep connection to our lives. This lake is an important natural asset with considerable aesthetic, cultural, economic, recreational, scientific, conservative, and ecological values. Presently, this lake faces severe problems of encroachment, as 30% of its area has been lost to mining, staking the livelihood of its inhabitants, both humans and our winter guests, the flamingos. Times of India reported thousands of mysterious deaths of these migratory birds, stating officials suspected water contamination as one of the reasons for their deaths. Fueled by the urgency to preserve this heaven, our project began to examine the critical parameters to conserve this wetland for the habitation of the flamingo birds. We collected data on three key parameters. 1. The need for conservation, value, threats, and outlook. 2. Factors causing difficulties for the birds to stay, water pollution and wetland burial. 3. Health hazards, movement and health status of flamingos and its population. To arrive at a conclusion, we conducted A. Critical investigation into the water quality. B. Identified critical parameters for flamingo birds' occupancy zone. C. Explored the geography and climate. And D. Looked into the availability and suitability of food. The result of our habitat assessment report was startling. Based on our findings, we arrived at three basic sustainable solutions. Firstly, we were very clear we had to conserve it. We knew it was a complex task that required collaborative effort from various stakeholders, including government agencies, local community, conservation organizations, and researchers. As an initiative, we extensively grew species which are conducive to the biodiversity of this lake, like Prosopis, Salvadora, and Capris decidua. Secondly, we organized training programs titled Budding Guides of Sambar and were successful in bringing the local youths as champions of our cause. Through this, we generated employment opportunities and were able to educate them on the importance of conserving the rich heritage. We proposed to the local community the concept of rickshaw and bicycle ecotourism, providing them with an alternative sustainable livelihood option. In our third step, we ran an extensive awareness program to educate the community about the richness of the biodiversity in these wetlands. I encouraged discussions and debates on effective conservation strategies, culminating in a plan to engage the local community. Finally, work together for the lake to become a wonderful ecotourism destination for its scenic beauty and unique ecosystem. As a result, today, Sambar is nurturing Gen Z, who are vocal about key issues and proud of their rich heritage. It's empowering local youths to become guides, encouraging eco-friendly cycle and bicycle tourism, and steering them away from harmful activities like salt mining. In this process, I've learned that sustainability and environmental issues require interdisciplinary dialogue, inclusive decision-making, and long-term vision. The Habitat Assessment Project is more than just research. It's a pledge to preserve the intricate fabric of life. As the flamingos take flight, we are reminded that every step we take today shapes a brighter, greener tomorrow.
The conservation research and campaign run by Madhav Singh and his volunteer team in saving the Sambar Lake habitat is very encouraging and helpful for the local people.
Join us in this journey of transformation as we ensure that life continues to flourish in the heart of Sambar Salt Lake.